Hello, it's me, Liz. I know I don't normally show my face a lot, but I kind of wanted to give a life update. So I know that it's pretty obvious I haven't been posting much VR content lately, and there is a reason for that. My VR is currently not working. My headset had something spill on it, and now it won't track at all. However, I do plan on getting a new one if I can't get this one to work, as well as a PC soon. So stay tuned for that, and you'll hopefully be seeing some more VR content pop back up, hopefully before New Year's. As for what I'll post in the meantime, I'll primarily probably be posting Dead by Daylight related content. I've recently been getting back into Dead by Daylight, and it's a very fun game. I love Dead by Daylight. I play it almost every day at this point. And I will be posting mostly that in the meantime. I will say that I know I'm not active on here, so if you are wanting to reach out to me, if you want to talk to me, interact with me more, play games with me, I do have a Discord server. I'll be linking it down below, but join the Discord server. That is the best way to be able to get a hold of me and to interact with me and talk to me. I also am going to be hopefully getting some really good stuff out here soon. As for this video, I have a Dead by Daylight match for you, and it is a spirit match. Well, I'm not playing spirit, but this match we went against spirit, and I escaped. So it's pretty awesome, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I also included some bonus clips of flashlight saves and just other silly moments in Dead by Daylight. So I hope you all enjoy.